So hello friends, where we had stopped, I'm just concluding with where we had stopped. We were not connected to internet, but now I'm connected. So if I click on this, install it, then I say next, so it uploads. So when it goes to the finishing step, it brings up something new. So here I put my email, Isaac95 at email.com. So my password would go for, then I say create an account. So let me note down that because if I do not note it down, I may end up forgetting it. So it is always better not always down. So I don't want these cookies, so I sign in. I create that account again, 95 at gmail.com. Then from there, okay, accept, because it is like I have no any solution. So then from there, I get my password like that. Then no, I don't want, I just want to agree. So I'm trying to create an account, but I don't know. My internet is a little bit slow, but we should bear with that. So I believe it is not signing in because of this. It has not yet worked. Load. So the password needs something like 6 characters. I mean 8. So they are just saying that the password does not match. Isaac95 at gmail.com. So So let us see what it says again. So I had noted this, but I've happened to change the password because the first one was too short and it was refused. So I note it again. Shh. Jesus Christ. So a confirmation has been sent to your email. You should receive it shortly. So let me go there and to my email. So if I'm to go to my email, so are you seeing? So confirmation instructions. So we go through them and see. So please confirm your email. Thank you for registering at this. To start, let me open this because I need the link that I'll be giving to you. So I clicked confirm. I've clicked this to confirm. So I'm basically going to go with the free plan, that is get started. So now if you're on Windows, you can download this, and if you're on Mac, so if you're on Mac, you can download it from here. Okay, so let me copy this and paste it somewhere here. Let me create just a note and okay, let me just paste it inside. So I'll be sharing you this link below these videos, then you will be downloading it from here. Then we just save. Animation composer link. So that is it. So if I come here, put my password, then I say login. So now when it comes to this, it is saying Animation Composer 3 visit website. I would install that. Then also the starter pack, visit website. For me, I will just come here and say install all. Okay, so we install everything that is basically needed. Okay, so that is it. So now if like after them downloading. If they are taking a little bit longer, I'm going to first disconnect, then after we shall be sharing. Okay, so let me first stop here, like recording, then I'll be back after all of them completing to download, and we shall be beginning from there.